No, because you would actually think I'm moving to Birmingham, because what is this? Right? Subscribe! I love you guys. What are you saying, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be driving to Birmingham for Ruby's birthday. So we're all staying in like apartments at this complex and we're going out later and it's going to be so sick. I can't wait, and you're going to come with us, and I'm so excited. So this is my first road trip like out of London and I'm just so excited. Me and mum have just loaded the car. There's so much stuff you would actually think I'm moving here. It's a bit of a joke. I am leaving a whole lot later than I wanted to, so I'm just gonna head now. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Turn Dexter down a little bit. We've got about 2 hours left of the drive, but we're going strong. We're going strong. Oh, yeah, so you lot are just freestanding on the dashboard right now. So anytime I start or stop, you lot just go flying. So sorry for any turbulence. I have never, this is actually kind of mad, yeah, but I've never stayed somewhere overnight by myself. How mad is that? And I'm doing it for the first time today and I've got a whole ass apartment to myself and I am so excited. My ETA is about 2:30. Which isn't bad at all actually, only 2 more hours. And I love driving, so it's not even felt like a long drive so far. Like, I actually feel fine. I'm gonna be doing a TikTok vlog of the actual night, so if you want to see, you know, the vlog of the night, the vlog of the night, head over to my TikTok. quick plug. I'm just gonna vibe to some music now, and I guess I'll catch you in a little bit.
Sipping on the deuce, ready? Feet up, work it to get your feet up. Step the way to see, bend the way to see. Nobody nothing knows, tell me yeah, you are fucked. Nobody nothing knows, say you are give it up. Every time you come on me hard, you are worry, I am on the eye, yeah. Say you are give it up. Nobody nothing knows, say you come on me hard. Baby, take off the jacket. The eyes will see the freakiness. And the lights up, me no treat you good. Come on me hard, you are worry, I am on the eye, yeah.
I love this song, I just wish it was longer. Goosebumps.
Y'all give me this, give me this. You said don't play anything when you say. Y'all give me this, give me this.
See, it's so short. Ooh.
Extra.
I love this.
Let me tell you something. Around, yeah, I will be there. You want to tell me how I come.
What's next?
You look so cool. I owe you. Tell me I owe you, girl.
I'm getting too gassed. I need to calm down. We just touched down. I'm here. I literally have not stopped, have not got out of the car, have not stretched since I started this drive. Anyways, I've just parked. They've got like a private car park here. I've just parked up, but I don't know how you get from this car park to the actual like bit. Like, is there? And I also really need to pee. Okay, now here is where I made the mistake of giving my mate Barrett the camera because what is this footage? But anyway, we went to go eat at a Caribbean restaurant. The food was literally insane, like smashed it. What? They're cussing me for my suitcase. What's wrong with it?
What? Did you do
What? Huh?
It's definitely from the 90s. You what? This is for screen protector.
Stop, man.
A vacuum cleaner. UK prepare.
No, that's just... Okay, Okay, so that, and then this, more in the back seat, and then we're gonna walk in and we'll be like, do you guys know who's here?
You want to start knocking on everyone's door, you want your makeup done? Is that everything?
Yeah, this is everything.
You just carry your coat, is alright?
And don't drop your card.
Yeah, don't drop your card. Wait a minute, you have the same trainers as us.
No, mine are vegan.
I'll grab on beef chili.
Let's go. Yeah, thanks guys. You really did put it in my hat. Are you excited?
I am excited.
I'm
just wearing leggings.
Yeah, nice one.
We're in the mood. What year was this made in? We just attacked as soon as we saw her. Not like, how you been?
Do you remember how the first time I ever did a YouTube vlog was when you came over to my place at Nottingham?
Like, hey guys,
my first ever vlog. We're gonna give Ruby her present now. Happy birthday! Did you rub it? Yeah.
not the best. You did this last time for me. Thank you so much.
I love you.
You managed to write a different message every year. So I didn't say buy the whole shop. My nose is getting runny. Oh my god, gua sha! This is my third gua sha! Have I spoken about it that much? You know? For your birthday? For my birthday, my third gua sha that I've got. I'm actually really happy with the gua sha, you don't understand. They're so nice. Cute. About my gua sha. It's so nice.
I haven't even like looked around the apartment yet, so you're gonna come with me and let's have a look. So you come in, this is the door, this is the view. I mean, currently, yeah, let's just not pay attention. Bathroom, look how cute. Bedroom, ooh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, we love a full-length mirror. And then I might push the beds together and just make one big bed. Can I do that? Let me try and push it together now. Yeah, smashed it. Let's hope I don't fall down the middle in the night. That would be a bit of a sticky one. Now let me show you the bit we were just in. The living room and kitchen area. Oh, there's a TV, cute. It's giving me like uni accommodation vibes, do you know what I mean? I'm actually a bit stressed, guys. It's currently like 6 o'clock. What time is it? Yeah, 10 to 6. I literally have like 2 hours max to be ready, film my get ready with me. Look at all my equipment everywhere as well. Okay, right. This isn't bashment boat bags. It's not bashment boat bags. Ow! I haven't primed. This song is my feel-good song. This is my get in my feel song. This is my cry on the dance floor song. Okay, love you, bye. Hello. You know when you stop breathing? Should I straighten my hair at the apartment? I think these look better, no? Just to be like, you ain't up on this. Bye guys! Okay guys, I am ready. That light is not cute. This is the fit, this is the look. I'm also wearing it with heels, but I just took them off, so you're not gonna see them. But yeah, this is the vibe, this is the vibe. These are the heels. Wow, looks like I've just come back. You wouldn't think I'm just about to leave. Anyways, let me pack my bag. Checkout is at like 11 AM, which is just such a bitch. So I've been trying to sort of like provisionally pack now, so that, oh my lord, just so that I don't have to rush so much in the morning, because I know I'm gonna want to sleep in. What else do I need to take with me? We're ready to go. She might be ready to go. The others are all upstairs in Ruby's room, and I think they're like basically starting prees, and of course I'm fashionably late. Oof, I feel cute. I look cute. Maybe I'll insert some clips. So enjoy the following clips if I have them, or if not, I'll see you in the morning. Mwah. I did not expect to pick up the camera tonight, but do you know what? I think we're gonna do it. Let me turn off my music. Listen to a bit of Western. I just got back. When I tell you, I was so happy to take my heels off. Bro, my feet feel like death. This is what happens when you live in trainers and then do up a heels motive out of nowhere, unprovoked. I'm gonna take this makeup off, which I'm very excited to do. Probably take my lashes off first, actually. Then I think we're gonna meet, like, I'm gonna meet the others again and we're gonna chill for a little bit. I defo want some food, so I'm really on it to order the Mackies. We had such a good night. Oh wow, that's not a pretty vision. It was so much fun. It was just like good vibes, good people, good energy. I actually look, this is giving jump scare. This is like certified jump scare energy. Why do I look like that? So we left, oh, I've got mini cheddars, one sec. Oh, yes, bro. So we left here, yeah, at 9:30 for our booking at the bowling place, which was at like 9:45. I actually look really terrifying. Yeah, so if you think about it, we've not actually been out for that long. At all. You know how everyone talks about the feeling of taking your bra off after like a long day or whatever? Personally, I don't think that even compares to the feeling of when you take your makeup off after a long day. This feeling is just like no other. Not to quote High School Musical, didn't mean to do that, but you know what, when it fits, it fits. Oh Jesus Christ, that's so extra. Bro, when I tell you I've made a mess, you should see the floor. It's soaked. Barrett's FaceTiming me. Hello.
Big man.
What are you saying?
How long is it?
I'm just doing my skincare.
We're really?
And I'm eating some mini cheddar. I dropped one. Come in. Oh, I can't. Yeah, that doesn't work, does it?
Come in.
Hello. Say hi to the vlog.
How is this room so messy?
I have a lot of stuff.
Your JJ's waiting for you.
Oh. Why am I in here?
She looks so confused.
Where is it? Oh, I found it.
Oh, my feet are killing. I can't even say that to you.
Your feet are killing. Your feet.
Who chose to wear heels? She's thinking. She knows I'm right.
I am back in my room. We just got Mackies. It was really good. Fully just hit the spot. It's now like 3 AM. So getting ready to get in bed. I'm so tired. Checkout is at 11. So everyone just take a minute and pray for me, I beg. I will see you in the morning. Good morning. It is 9:52 in the morning. I am strategically positioning you a little bit far from me. Let's not look too close. Yeah, 4 hours sleep. Let's not talk about it. I was just on FaceTime to Rach and sitting here eating mini cheddars, grapes, and sipping on my Lucozade. And checkout is in an hour, so I'm about to go shower and basically just pack and get my stuff ready, but I thought I'd just quickly come check in, say hi. The bathroom really needs to be tidied because all my makeup is just everywhere. Why did I just have orange juice after brushing my teeth? Would not recommend, would not recommend. My phone's ringing. Nice save. Who's calling me? Okay, I'm just gonna do some like very light, when I say light, I mean light makeup. I mean like some concealer over this baby that's coming through. Under my eyes a little bit. Maybe a bit of, no, probably not mascara to be fair. Do you know what? I'm actually feeling very energetic considering I'm on 4 hours sleep. I'm gonna have to drive back today. So I better not crash, do you know what I mean? Not car crash, Jesus Christ, that was a bit extreme. Energetically crash. I've driven at like 4 or 5 in the morning and I could be so tired and it just doesn't affect me, which I'm very, very grateful for. Okay, I have no idea why, but my memory card is like it's just not happy right now. So we're moving to the phone. This is the fit. Just checking out now and saying goodbye to the room. So it is 11:39 and we're in Nando's. We're doing it right, we're doing it right.
Maybe he's gonna be like, oh, when did I get this footage?
How do I zoom in?
See that bit at the top where you would take a picture? There we go. But why are you gonna do that?
Give me a smile.
You pour like a 5-year-old.
Alright guys, so I'm officially on my way back to London. Whenever I leave Ruby and Andy, it feels just so sad. I get so emotional every time, every single time. Yeah, it always just gets me, so just slightly in my feelings right now. I'm just gonna bang out some music, just up my mood a little bit. So I will check in with you in a little bit. Mwah. Bro, the way I used to love this song. Ooh! Ah.
Take all my mind, take all the joy now. Break, 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 break.
This song gets me in my feels, man.
Hey yo, first thing I'ma do when I pop out is tell my nigga, yo, make sure you got the Glock out. I just hopped out looking like a knockout. Show these bitches how to do it, but they dropped out. Yep, yep.
First thing I'm on a bowl like me, make me a chopstick. You wanna know about this? I'm out on bells and motherfuckers trying to get me. But she wanna roll with them and them when they drop, you know it's an anthem. Bounce, bounce, baby, oh bounce. Imanama, I for make you my day. Imanama, love you, love you, love you, my baby. Yeah.
Nah.
See the girl, confusion, the girls coming up in the cold world. Daddy ain't around, probably out committing felonies. My favorite rapper used to sing, check out my melody. I wanna live through us, shit, I tossed and turned in my sleep that night. Woke up the next morning, niggas are still on my bike. First things first, I pop freaks all the honey, dummy, play with bunnies, those wanting money.
Alright guys, I just got home, unloaded the car with mum, and we're officially back in ends. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay safe, stay smiling, stay positive. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye guys, I love you, I love you, I love you.